Still have a shelf full of DVDs but nowhere to play them? In 2026, keeping your physical media accessible is all about digitization. Today, I'm going to show you the most reliable 100% free way to rip a DVD with VLC Media Player. No paid subscriptions, no watermarks, just your movies anywhere you want them. Stick around because I'm also showing you the no menu trick and a secret key for commercial discs that fixes 90% of ripping errors. Step 1. Preparation and loading. First, ensure you have the latest version of VLC installed. If not, grab it for free from Videolan.org. The great thing about VLC in 2026 is that it comes with built-in libs installed that support CSS encryption and region codes, so most commercial DVDs will work right out of the box without extra patches. Once ready, pop your DVD into your computer's drive. Open VLC Media Player. Click on the Media menu in the top left corner. Select Convert/Save from the list, or just hit Ctrl+R. In the window that pops up, click the Disk tab. Step 2. Selecting the source. Now tell VLC what to look for. Select the DVD option. Click Browse to locate your DVD drive, usually found under this PC. Pro tip: the error fixer. Here is the secret for a smooth rip. Check the box that says No Disk Menus. This forces VLC to skip buggy menus and go straight to the movie. If your DVD has multiple versions, you can even specify the title and chapter here. Also, don't forget the audio and subtitles section right below. 0 is the default audio or English language track, while 1 or 2 would be for alternative audio or language. If you want to rip the DVD without any audio or subtitles at all, simply set the value to -1 to disable them. This ensures you get exactly the audio and text you want in your final digital file. Step 3. Optimization and output. Now that our source is ready, click Convert/Save at the bottom. This brings us to the most important part, choosing your digital format. Under Profile, select Video H.264 plus MP3 MP4. This is the gold standard for compatibility in 2026. Optional if you're an advanced user or need a specific format like AVI or MKV, click the gear icon settings next to the profile. In the Encapsulation tab, you can switch it to your preferred format or codec. Go to the Subtitles tab and check the subtitles and overlay subtitles on the video boxes if you want to hardcode them into your file. Just remember to hit Save once you've made your choice. Next, we need to tell VLC where to put your new file. Click the Browse button next to the Destination File field. Now give your file a clear name. Manually type MP4 or your chosen extension at the very end of the file name. This ensures your computer recognizes the video immediately and prevents playback errors later on. Step 4. The rip and troubleshooting. Hit Start. You'll see the progress bar at the bottom begin to move. Don't close VLC yet. Ripping takes time depending on your drive speed and movie length. Here's a quick tip for the 2026 users. Most of you are all set because VLC typically handles DVDs with CSS and region codes automatically. However, if your conversion stops at 0% or creates a tiny, unplayable file, it means you've hit a super encrypted disk. To troubleshoot these errors first, make sure you've checked the No Disk Menus option we discussed. If it still fails, it's because VLC's built-in library only supports CSS and region codes 1.6. For those tricky 99 title DVDs, Disney titles, or damaged classic discs, you'll need a dedicated alternative. I recommend WinX DVD Ripper. It processes almost any DVD in just 4 steps with high quality and no complex configuration. If you're dealing with a stubborn disk, check the download link in the description to give it a try. And that's it, your DVD is now a high-quality digital file. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2026 tech guides. Let me know in the comments which movie you're ripping today. See you in the next one.